Where? Oh, boy. You guys are going to be so
hyped up.
You know?
Is that good chocolate egg, baby? George is like, where's mine? Where's my chocolate egg? Should we find one for Georgia?
I can't find.
Oh.
Wait for her.
A what?
Free chocolate.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, girl. Thea, look right near you. Do you see anything? How about right where you are? Turn around in a circle. Oh! Should we give a little bit of that to Georgia? Well, you have to unwrap it, honey. She'll just eat the foil.
Oh. She can eat the rest of this one.
Oh, that's nice. Why don't you see if she wants it? Oh, I think she does. Thanks, Theo. Oh, what's that, honey? Huh?
Pink ones are gonna be for you.
What is that, Georgie?
Pink ones are gonna be for you guys. The blue ones are for a big pink.
Yeah.
Okay.
The pink ones are gonna be for you guys. And blue ones are gonna be for
For who?
Papa and me.
Oh, what about me?
You get a pink one and Papa gets a blue one and I get a blue.
Okay, is that good, Georgia? Is that good? What is that?